Akbar sir.
Speaker, sir. Sir, through you, I would like to thank the Minister for giving a detailed reply on this subject, sir. Sir, he has given the details as to how many properties or of the institutions of WACC identified in the second survey. And this, the work has started, he said, on 426, 925 is remaining. Sir, through you, I would like to request the Honorable Minister Saab to please kindly spell out a specific time for completion of this entire process of issuing the Gazette. This is very important, sir. The reason I'm saying this, sir, this has been pending from 2016, sir. Sir, I go by what the Honorable Minister Saab had said on the floor, that 426 properties have been, the process has been completed. But as far as my knowledge goes, sir, no, sir, nothing as such has happened. Always the work board says that they don't have employees to do this work and the files have not been sent. Anyway, I go by with the Honorable Minister Saab is saying, I might be wrong, he's correct because he's saying it on the floor. Sir, I request that the government in the floor of this house, on my demand, had said, Honorable Chief Minister Saab had said, to protect the work properties, we will give judicial powers to work board. So through you, I would like to ask the Minister Saab, चीफ मिनिस्टर का साहब का जो ये वादा हुआ कि जुडिशियल पावर्स देंगे वक्फ बोर्ड को, ये वादा कब पूरा होगा, कब जुडिशियल पावर्स देंगे, कब वक्फ बोर्ड की जायदादों को बचाएंगे? सर, फॉर 20 years I have been screaming, shouting for वक्फ लैंड, सर. Microsoft, ISB, Wipro, everything has come on वक्फ लैंड. Buildings पे building, international airport has come up on the वक्फ बोर्ड लैंड. तो पूरा बोर्ड का लैंड्स पूरा जा रहा है साहब. तो जब तक जुडिशियल पावर नहीं देंगे, जब तक हम वर्क प्रॉपर्टीज को बचा नहीं सकते सर. सर, अब ये फर्स्ट सर्वे में ऑलमोस्ट 77,000 एकर्स ऑफ लैंड है साहब. 77,000. एंड इन द सेकेंड सर्वे, अभी मिनिस्टर साहब अपनी रिप्लाई में बोले कि 3,072 एकर्स ऑफ लैंड हैज बीन आइडेंटिफाइड. अगर 13,000 are the institutes, sir. 13,000 are the total institute who have Waqf land. But the acreage of Waqf land is 3,000, sir. 3,000. Sir, अगर gazette नहीं आया तो ये 3,000 भी चले जाएंगे. 77,000. Sir, through you, I would like to request the Honorable Minister Saab to kindly call for a meeting, sir. ये बड़ा vast subject है, sir. Call for a meeting. Let us sit together and see what is the encroachment. Who are the encroachers? And let us sit together and identify and see how best we can protect the Waqf land. We need to protect the Waqf land, sir. Sir, recently an article came in the newspaper. 1 lakh crore के सब, I would say not 1 lakh crore, sir. 10 lakh crore के वक्त की जायदादें हैं जो तबाह बर्बाद हो रही हैं, sir. Sir, through you I request, sir, Honorable Minister साहब को कि please बुलाइए और जुडिशियल पावर वक्फ बोर्ड को जो देंगे बोले थे वो प्लीज इमीडिएटली वो दीजिए, सर. थैंक यू, सर.
Minister Akbaruddin.
ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, साहब ये मैं ये 0 ओवर में औकाफ की एक बहुत बड़ी और इम्पॉर्टेंट जायदाद जो कई बरस से कब्जे में है उसके ताल्लुक़ से उठा रहा हूँ. अभी मेरा सवाल था वक्फ बोर्ड का, लेकिन सर्वे के बारे में था, इसलिए उसमें इसको ऐड नहीं करा मैं. सर, ये मौकूफ़ा जायदाद है जिसका नाम है ओल्ड मॉस्क एंड चिन्ना मौला अली, जिसकी मस्जिद भी है और इसका एक गजीट नंबर 6A 9th February 1989 में जो निकाला गया और ये अटैच वक्फ लैंड है इन सर्वे नंबर 10/1 and 10/2 ऑफ हबशीगुड़ा विलेज हैविंग एन एक्सटेंट ऑफ 84.39 guntas, 84 acres and 39 guntas, sir. Sir, the brief, I would like to say that ये ज़मीन आपको सुन के हैरत होगी कि उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी के कब्जे में है, सर. 84 acres of land, sir. सर, अगर इसकी हिस्ट्री देखे जाते हैं, सर, prior to establishment of Usmania University, sir, this land in the survey number which I had mentioned, sir, was there, sir, that the Inamdar claimed that the land were not acquired, but the other neighboring land were acquired, and the matter had gone to the courts, sir. Sir, Usmania University filed an OS number 1 in 1956 claiming that the subject land was acquired by the Nizam government, the request for eviction of the person in process. The Honorable High Court dismissed the OS in 1959 stating that the scheduled land were not acquired, sir. Aggrieved by the said order, Usmania University preferred an appeal in CCA number 61 of 1959, which was also dismissed, confirming the order in OS number 1, sir. Sir, the Osmania University again requested the government of Andhra Pradesh then for eviction of encroachers according to the Tehsildar Hayatnagar, issued notices. Sir, again, in that act, an order was passed, sir, and this aggrieved by the said eviction order, Tehsildar Hayatnagar, then occupant preferred to go for an appeal with the sub-collector, sir. And in sub-collector also the same was dismissed. Later they filed a writ petition number 1539 of 1974 challenging the eviction proceedings of Tehsildar Hayatnagar, wherein again the High Court dismissed the writ petition. Aggrieved with the same, they preferred an appeal of number 905 in 1975, wherein the division bench set aside the eviction orders of Tehsildar Hayatnagar, sir. Sir, aggrieved with the order of the High Court, in appeal number 905 of 1975, Usmania University preferred civil appeal CA number 2031 of 1977 before the Honorable Supreme Court, sir, wherein the Supreme Court upheld the judgment of division bench's appeal number 904 of 1975, sir. Sir, this matter was again referred to Advocate General, sir, by the government. The AG said that this is not a fit case to be filed as a suit and it is time barred and no chance of success whatsoever, sir. And this was again done in the year 2002, sir. Sir, also the registrar of Usmania University in 1958 recorded a statement stating that he has not seen documents of acquiring the land or remember the name of the office of taking charge of the land. Sir, through you, I request ये मस्जिद और ये 84 एकर्स जो उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी अपनी लैंड बोल के कब्जा कर रही है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट भी आया है. प्लीज हैंड ओवर दिस लैंड टू वक्फ बोर्ड सो दैट वी कैन टेक अप. वहां एक यूनिवर्सिटी करेंगे. अगर यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए अगर कम पड़ी है जमीन तो ठीक है साहब, द गवर्नमेंट कैन टेक द लैंड ऑन लीज एंड गिव सम मनी फॉर दैट लैंड एटलीस्ट. कुछ तो करिए, या नहीं तो एक एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन माइनॉरिटीज के लिए बना दीजिए सर. 84 acres, sir. So I request through you to the government, sir, to kindly take an appropriate action and see that this land is handed over to the Waqf board, sir. Thank you, sir.